What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. I'm here coming at you again with a bunch of pranks. Well, I wouldn't call them pranks. These are just methods to annoy people. And they're so simple that you guys can try them out right now at home. All you guys gotta do is mess with a few things at home, such as light bulbs, toilet paper, and even spoons. Now, before we get started with these guys, let's make sure that you are subscribed to this channel with all notifications turned on. Hit that like button, guys. I really appreciate all those likes. Let's get this video going. Check it out. This right here is super annoying, especially in the morning. So this is my iPhone, guys, and as you guys can see, it's plugged in, it's charging. But if you guys want to really annoy somebody, if they have a cable like this one, which is a charger, swap it out. So for example, if they have an iPhone, get their iPhone charger, put it away, and replace it with an Android charger. And this one is also white, just like the other one. So put it where they usually keep it, and at night, let's say they're trying to charge their phone and it's dark, they're gonna try to find the port and try to put it in, but they're gonna miss each and every single time because they're not compatible. And it's super annoying because it'll be like, wait, this is not my cable, and they won't be able to charge their phone. Of course, you let them know, hey, I'm just messing with you, your cable's over there. But for a few minutes, they'll be struggling with this charger right here, guys. So again, all you guys gotta do is swap out the chargers, make sure they're similar in color, and you'll get them good.
All right, guys, an easy way to annoy somebody is with their pen. Now, everybody uses these, right? They click and then the little ink comes out through this little needle right here. Well, what happens if you click it and nothing comes out? It's gonna get really annoying, right? Basically, guys, all you gotta do, twist this little tip off right here, just like that. And then you see the little ink right here? You just wanna pull this out. Then once the ink's out, guys, the pen is useless. You just twist it back on. And when your victim comes back, you just probably want to put his pen back where you found it and then just get rid of the evidence and just watch when he comes back. He picks up his pen and he's ready to write. But what happened? There's no ink in there at all. It's a completely useless pen and it's very easy to annoy somebody.
These right here are some of my favorite pairs of shoes. And I'm gonna show you an example of how you guys can annoy somebody in the morning. So if they have their shoes lined up, because I'm sure that they gotta have at least 2 pairs of shoes, right? Well, if they're close to each other, like I have them right here, all you guys gotta do is take the ones that are the closest ones to each other, but make sure they're different shoes. Not these two or these two, but these two right here. All you guys gotta do is take the laces from both shoes, loosen them up, and tie them to each other, such as I'm doing right here, and make sure to get a really good knot on there. That way they struggle with it. So at first glance, without knowing, they won't be able to tell that these have been tied up together. So let's say that the owner of the shoes wants to wear the white Superstars today. Well, they're gonna try to grab both of them, and then they grab this one. And remember, we have a really good knot on there, so they'll struggle to actually undo the knot, and it's quite annoying, guys.
All right, guys, another annoying little prank that we can do is with a pencil. Now, earlier I did a pen, and this is a little bit similar, but a little bit different. So pencils have lead coming out of this tip right here, right? As you guys can see right there. This is easy to prank. So when your victim goes off to the restroom or is very distracted, you just snatch his pencil, and then you take your scissors like I have here, and you wanna cut this tip off right where the lead is at, just like this, guys. Look at that. Now there's no more lead. This pencil is completely useless. So what you want to do after that is just take a black permanent marker, as I have here, and you just want to paint kind of like a little tip. Paint like a little tip on there to kind of make it seem like the lead is actually still there, but in reality, we cut it off. And look at that, guys. From a distance, can you actually tell that this pencil has been messed with? No, I don't think you can, right? So you just place it right there for your victim, and wahaha. Wait for him to come back. When he comes back, he'll pick up his pencil and yeah, look at that, guys. He can't write a thing, nothing but blanks. So have fun with that.
What I have right here is a bowl of cereal, and as you guys can see, I have it on a styrofoam plate, which is disposable. And also I have a plastic spoon, which is also disposable. This prank is for those people that like to pour themselves cereal in the morning right before they head out to school. So if one of your family members has their bowl on the table and they've already poured it, they put the milk in there, they walked away for whatever reason, you guys can act quickly on this one. So basically take their spoon out of the cereal. You're gonna get super mean on this, but you are gonna cut off the head of the spoon just like this. And now we put the handle back in there, so it appears like nothing happened, right? But when they do come back, they're gonna be in for a surprise, because as they pull out the spoon, it's gonna be missing the head. And if you wanna get super mean also, try to hide any other spoon so they don't get their hands on that. It's super annoying.
Alright, for this annoying prank, as I have right here, is duct tape. This is the good tape to use for the sink. This is our next subject right here. All we gotta do for this, guys, to annoy somebody is if you wake up in the morning in a hurry to school, you don't want any holdups, right? Take some duct tape. All you wanna do, guys, is just wanna wrap it around the faucet handles, just like this. The more you guys use, the better. Duct tape is really strong. It's not the strongest, but it'll do the job. You probably just want to throw one more on top, probably like the icing on the cake. You guys can also do this to the shower. Whatever one you know they're gonna use first is probably your best bet. Most people brush their teeth when they wake up, so this is probably the best one. So now it's set. So when your victim walks in the restroom, this is what they're gonna see. Oh, what the hell? Come on, Next. Yep, it's not gonna turn at all. And they're gonna waste at least a good 5 to what, maybe 6 minutes trying to get this duct tape off. So very, very annoying. If they're already running late, this is gonna upset them and annoy the heck out of them, guys. Have fun with it.
Let's say that they left their water bottle unattended on a table or pretty much anywhere, right? They left it there, but they are gonna come back for it. Here's something that you guys can do to their water bottle. Now, for this to work, it also has to be one of these cheap water bottles, such as the ones from Walmart, because these usually have one of these caps that are flexible. They're really cheap, but it's also good because it'll work for this. So all you guys are gonna do is remove the cap, bend it so that you are able to actually just pop it inside the bottle, just like so. Now at this point, that cap is not gonna come out, guys. It's gonna be there, and when they come back and they see that their water bottle has been opened and they see a little boat floating in there, because that's what it looks like, a little boat inside this water bottle, they'll be super upset and quite annoyed as well, because how are they gonna close this up now? Is their water still any good? Regardless, guys, it's not gonna look pretty for them. And if I was a victim, I'll be like, this is not so bad. I can easily take that out. I'm just gonna get a blade and cut this off. See? Now I can get the bottle cap. Haha, you can't get me. Oh, right.
All right, so for this next annoying prank, you see these light bulbs up here? So when somebody comes up in the morning or just any time of the day, the restroom's always dark because there's no windows in here. So the light bulbs are the only source of light we have in here. If we twist all of these out, then we have a problem, right? Because the person can't come in here and can't see anything. They're probably gonna wash their hands and they'll be scratching their arm. So it's very simple to pull off. All you guys wanna do is reach up here, just twist. Like that, guys. Now the bulb is out. And if you do that to all the bulbs, guys, it's gonna be completely dark, just like this. Ooh. So you won't be able to see anything. Everybody in the morning, if you're going to school or work or whatever you're doing, the last thing you wanna do is have to deal with darkness because you can't see anything and you wanna get to your next destination. So this is an easy way to annoy somebody early in the morning. I know I'd be very annoyed by this, but it's a simple fix too, guys. Once the prank's already been accomplished and you've succeeded, then you just go back up here and twist it back on and everything's back to normal. So easy way to annoy somebody to see their reaction.
And here is another cereal prank. And again, we're gonna be messing with the spoon. Just like the last prank, they have a bowl of cereal that they poured themselves. They walked away, or maybe you volunteer to get them a bowl of cereal. Whatever the reason, they have a bowl of cereal waiting for them. They have a spoon in there already, see? Well, the simplest thing you guys can do to annoy them is the following. Take the spoon out, get rid of it, hide it somewhere so they don't know where it's at. And then you get yourself a fork, which has a similar looking handle. You put it inside the cereal bowl like so, and that's it. At this point, it looks like a normal bowl of cereal with a spoon. But when they come back and try to eat the cereal, well, they'll be greeted with a fork. You can still eat it with a fork, but it isn't as easy as with a spoon because you can't get any milk in there and the cereal usually doesn't stay on there. So it'd be pretty hard to actually eat cereal with a fork, but it's doable. It's just annoying to do so.
All right, guys, look at this roll of toilet paper that you see right here. Now it's full and ready to take care of some people's behinds, right? When I'm in here and I'm trying to annoy somebody, it's very simple to do. So when I'm done handling my business and, you know, I'm ready to go out of the restroom, what I'm gonna do for the next person is just take this off right here. And instead of leaving this full roll for the next person, I'll toss that out. and grab a little roll that's pretty much not gonna take care of them. So if I put this, guys, this ain't gonna take care of nobody, right? And if I wanna be extremely annoying, then I'll take this one, which has nothing in it, and put that one back on right there and get rid of the good one. Now, when the next person comes in here, let's just say they really gotta go to the restroom, so they're coming in here running, and they sit down, they destroy the toilet, and now they're looking for some paper to wipe themselves. Well, they ain't gonna find nothing here, and that's gonna annoy the heck out of them.
How annoying are these, right? Now I want to thank Sinfado for helping me out with these. If you guys are gonna try these out, just make sure that you guys know that that person can take a joke, because these are quite frustrating if you ask me. If I fell for some of these, I'd be super annoyed, and I'm sure your victims will too. So remember, prank with caution. Before I wrap up this video, I want to let you guys know that I have more similar videos such as this one at my channel, youtube.com/Nextraker. Why not stop by and subscribe? If you haven't given this video a like, please do so now, guys. I'll see you pranksters in my next video. So when this is lifted, oh, and oh no. At this point they're thinking, well, okay, the floor is clean. But when they lift up the dustpan, oh no, and pour some inside. When your victim opens the door, this is what's gonna happen.